A very good morning, gentlemen. This is a Mohit. Let me begin my journey with topic of luxury is cybercrime. Cybercrime is the biggest threat not only for India, it's the biggest threat for each and every country. Let me take example of one by one. First of all, according to India, there is an act has been passed in year 2000 in which they divided cybercrime into the multiple parts, because we know that cybercrime has a many parts, because we do cybercrime on a very different ways. First of all, gentlemen, I would like to bring your attention towards the identity, because we know that identity also plays a very major role. And according to the data, there are around 2.8 billion people are using Facebook, and around 2.3 billion people are using Instagram and lot of this stuff. So reason behind is that and some of them they have not any idea this kind of platforms also taken a lot of the knowledge regarding to be your location, regarding to be your data, regarding to be your pic. If someone hacks their particular data, after they will get fruitful knowledge regarding to be that particular person. And second one is that hacker is the most common cybercrime and most popular cybercrime in today world, because hackers are always be doing lot of the things related to the bank transaction, related to the their social media accounts, related to their Gmail accounts, because we know that we have a lot of the messages on our Gmail account. We have a lot of the our messages on our forms on the Gmail. So reason behind is that if someone hacks our Gmail, then it will able to be get our get our information on a very prolific way. And third one is that cyberbullying also be a major problem, because we know that cyberbullying related to be harassment, and harassment rate increasing a day by day. That is also be related to with that particular topic. And third one is that and there is a freedom of speech, because we know that on the social media every person have a freedom of speech, but freedom of speech also separated by a thin line. If you know we have seen a lot of the controversy on that particular platform, because in a social media also we a video also be going viral on a very relevantly, on a very frequently. So reason is behind is that thing also we are very contagious, which also we creates a very contagious situation amongst the people. So according to, if you talk about a conclusion, so India should require to be increase their security regarding to be their apps, because we know that there is a WhatsApp also increase their security, Facebook also increase their security regarding to be their profile pictures, and that kind of things also we has to be stop these crimes on a very relevant way. Thank you, gentlemen. If you like the video and if you have any suggestion for me, so please comment me, because I want to improve my lecture rates. So that's why I'm just making that kind of videos. Thank you, gentlemen.